Greetings viewer, I hope you're having a good day. In today's video, I will be showing you how to hide a WhatsApp conversation as well as how you'll be able to restore the chat if you ever need it in the future. Alright, let's get to the point. First, let's head over to our WhatsApp app and open it. Now that we see my WhatsApp conversations, you choose which chat you want to hide and right click on the conversation. Tap then hold for a second before letting go and you'll see the options appearing for you. Click on archive and done. The conversation is now hidden. Now, if you want to bring it back or restore it alongside the others, you click on the archive above all chats and you'll see the conversations you have archived. Hold on it, just like before, and you'll see the other options shown again. This time, click on unarchive, this one, and we're done. The conversation is now back where it used to be. That is how you hide and restore your chats on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and check out our other videos if you have other questions you would like answered. Bye-bye!